Hi, this is Rahim Zulfiqar from excelbasement.org. This is video number 2 for Microsoft Excel for ICAP student AFC4 examination, that is Introduction to Information Technology. Let's proceed to this second video. In this video we will learn Excel 3 function that is related to the text functions. We will learn Excel left function, mid function and right function, and we will discuss each of them in detail. So let's first discuss Excel left function. Purpose: extract text from the left of a string. Return value one or more characters. Syntax of a left function is equals to left, round bracket open. The first parameter is text, comma, square brackets num characters is number of characters, square bracket close, and then round bracket close. Parameters list. Text, the text from which to extract characters, and number of characters is optional. Please note that the parameters which are closed in square brackets are always optional. The number of characters to extract and starting on the left side to text. If you skip this parameter, so the default value is equals to 1 always. Usage notes. We use left function when you want to extract characters starting at the left side of a text. Number characters is optional and defaults to 1. Left will extract digits from numbers as well. Keep in mind that number formatting, that is currency symbol, a dollar sign, is not a part of number, so is not counted or extracted from the left function. Let's proceed to the Excel worksheet, and we will be solving these 4 examples of the left function. We have some text in 4 cells, and we will solve in this column E to generate the output from the left function. So the first example tells us we have to extract left 3 characters from before. So we'll applying a formula. We always put equals to sign first, equals to left, round bracket open. For text, the first parameter, we will give the cell reference of before, comma, number of characters, as we are required to extract 3 characters from the left side, and which will generate the new in this cell. So N is the first value, E is the second, W is the third, and so on. So we'll write 3 here, round bracket close, press enter. So we have just extracted 3 characters from the left side of this B4 cell. Next, we have to extract 8 characters of from the cell B5. So equals to left, cell reference, comma 8, round bracket close, and then press enter. Similarly, for the third example, we have a standard zip code, and we have to extract 5 digits of a zip code from the left side. So we will use left function equals to left, bracket open, cell reference, comma 5, round bracket close, press enter. And for the last example, we have a phone number in cell B7. We have to extract area code, that is 303. So we will be using left function again, equals to left, bracket open, cell reference, comma 3, round bracket close. So we have just extracted area code of a phone number. Let's move to another function of text function category. Now we will be discussing about the right function. Purpose: extract text from the right of a string. Return value, again same as the left function, it will extract 1 or more characters from the right side. Syntax: equals to right, round bracket open, the first parameter is text, comma, number characters, square bracket close, round bracket close. Parameters list. Text, the text from which to extract characters on the right. Number characters, again optional. The number of characters to extract starting on the right side. Optional is default and always equals to 1. Usage notes. Use the right function when you want to extract characters starting at the right side of a text. Remember, num characters is optional again and defaults to 1. Right will extract digits from numbers as well. Keep in mind that again number formatting or a dollar sign is not a part and will not be extracted or counted. Even a random formatting, that is bold, italic, underline, or a cell fill colors are also ignored by the write function. Let's move toward the practical examples of the write function. Okay, we have to extract 4 characters from the cell before, but this time from the right side. So we will be using write function equals to write, round bracket open, cell reference and value, that is 4 number characters. Press enter. We have just extracted the word city from this cell B4, which contains New York City, from only city from the right side. Okay. Next, state abbreviation from city state, that is the UT. We have to extract it from the right side. So we will use using write function equals to write, cell reference, comma 2. We know that UT is equals to the 2 number characters. Then numbers of characters not specified. Now this is something new, and I have just told you earlier in the presentation that if we do not define the number characters, is always default to 1. So let's apply equals to write, cell reference. Now for the optional number characters, we are not putting any number here, we are just closing the round bracket. When you press enter, now the default value is 1 and it always extract only one value from the right side. Phone number without area code, we don't want 303 dash, we just want starting from the 5 and ending till 1. We want to extract this in a separate cell from the right side. So equals to write, cell reference, comma 8, bracket close. Now you just got the phone number without area code. Last example, google.com. We just want a domain, that is com, in this cell. So we will be applying equals to write, cell reference, comma 3, round bracket close. Now we got the domain extension from the right side of a cell. I hope these examples will clear your concept, and you can also practice them at your own. Let's move toward the last function of this video, that is the mid function. Purpose: extract text from inside a string. Return value: the characters which will be extracted from the middle of the portion of a cell. Syntax: equals to mid, round bracket open, text, comma start number, comma number of characters. We have 3 parameters in this mid function. Let's discuss them. First, text, the text to extract from. Start number, the location of the first character to extract. Okay, we have to identify the location from where which we want to start to extracting the text. Then number of characters, again the number of characters to extract from the middle of the portion of a certain cell. Let's come to the usage notes. Mid returns a specific number of characters from a text string, starting at start number and continuing through the start number with number of characters. Use mid function when you want to extract text from inside a text string based on the location and length. So you can consider that start number is the location and number of characters is the length of that certain text we want to extract from the middle of a certain cell. Let's jump to the practical examples of a mid function. I have a sentence in B4 and B5, and these are same sentences, but we will extract different information from the middle of this sentence, and we will generate the result in E4 and E5. So equals to mid, it says what is the text. We will locate the cell reference here. Start number is the 5th. Now what is 5th in this sentence is the T is the 1, H is 2, E is 3, the space is the 4, and the 5th character is the C. We want cat from the middle of the sentence to be placed over here. So our starting point, that is the start number, is 5, because C is located at number 5th. So we will write 5 here, or instead of writing 5 manually here, we can just give a cell reference, comma, number of characters. As you know that the cat is a total of 3 number of characters value, so we can write 3 here, or instead of writing 3, we can give a cell reference to extract 3 from this middle of the portion, round bracket close. So you have extracted cat word from this middle of this sentence, the cat in the hat. Moving towards the next example, now we will extract another word, equals to mid, cell reference, comma, the start number is 16 and the number of characters we want to extract is 3, bracket close. So we extracted hat from this sentence. We can also use the write function here. Let's say equals to write, cell reference, comma, 3. The answer will be the same, but we have applied the different approach with the mid function. So remember that in mid function you have to identify the start number and the number of characters you want to extract. I hope you understand all these 3 functions, left, mid and right. And if you have any queries, please email me at rahim.zulfikarali@live.com. Thank you.